Okay, another type of welding we are going to discuss, that is electro gas welding. So in the last lecture we discussed about the electro slag welding. So here it is going to discuss about electro gas welding. Okay, now why it is called electro slag welding? The high resistance of slag causes further heating of slag and contributes the heat to continue the welding process. That was electro slag welding, please note. Okay, that is why it is called electro slag welding. When the electric arc passes through the molten slag, the slag exhibits resistance, or the high resistance of the slag causes further heating of the slag, and that heat helps in continuing the welding process. Then now what is electro gas welding? So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the electro gas welding. Okay, let me take you to the core part of the lecture. So what is the major difference between electro slag and electro gas welding is the inert gas used to shield the weld from oxidation. So that is a major difference. We can also call the electro gas welding is also an extension of submerged arc welding, and also you can see that some similar kind of experimental setup is used also here. Here, like the electro gas welding uh, is primarily is used primarily for welding the edges of sections vertically and in one pass with the pieces placed edge to edge. Likewise, what I mentioned in the electro slag welding. Okay, the electro gas welding is used primarily for welding the edges of sections vertically and in one pass with pieces placed edge to edge. And here also there will be granular flux, and that flux is provided to the weld zone by a hopper mechanism. Look at the schematic diagram which is shown. You can see the consumable electrode from the wire reel which is passed to the gate tube to the weld zone. You can also see the shielding gas which is provided through different ports. Gas, you can see the cooling water which is circulated over the copper shoes. Shielding gas, you can see the solid weld metal, you can also see in the picture. So here, as I mentioned, the flux is provided to the weld zone by a hopper mechanism. And here, this it is classified as a machine welding process. The electro gas welding process is classified as a machine welding process because it requires special equipment. The electro gas and electro slag both are classified as a machine welding. So, if people asking you what can you explain two types of machine welding process? So the electro gas and electro slag welding are examples. Okay, so it is classified as machine welding process because it requires special equipment for welding. Now the weld metal is deposited into the weld cavity between the two pieces to be joined. Likewise, in the we discussed in the last case. What is here? You can see a space is enclosed by two water cooled copper shoes and to prevent the molten slag from running away. Okay, and here also you can see the process is started by initiating an arc between the electrode tip and the bottom of the part to be welded. Bottom of the part to be welded. So the major difference, as I mentioned, between the electro slag welding and electro gas welding is that it uses an inert gas for, I mean, carbon dioxide to shield the weld from oxidation. So that is a major difference between electro gas welding and the electro slag welding. In electro gas welding, we use an inert gas, like carbon dioxide, to shield the weld from oxidation. Now, here again, there is a continuous arc, such as we used in the case of submerged arc welding to heat the weld pool, and as I mentioned earlier, the other parts remains the same. There will be copper shoes, you can see, which is also used in electro slag welding. Okay, and the copper shoes supported by the water cooling to control the weld zone. Okay, and the flux is either provided to the weld zone through a hopper mechanism or in the form of a core wire, like the electrode wire. Especially this process is used on thinner materials than those associated with electro slag welding. Used to weld thinner material. And the electro gas welding and electro slag welding both are known as machine welding process, because the process uses automatic feeding of electrode wire, upward movement of shoes, supply of shielding gas to the arc region, cooling water supply to the shoe, etc. All processes are automated, and for that it uses a special equipment. And its applications include it used for the fabrication of storage tank, ship hulls, structural members, and pressure vessels. And especially this welding is suitable for welding in vertical position for various materials. Thank you.